In this video, we'll be taking a look at a new type of control valve that we've now introduced into HYENA Plus. This new control valve allows you to specify the pressure at the downstream node as a fixed percentage of the pressure at the upstream node. Let's have a look at a simple example to see how this works. On the pipe screen, we can click the node diagram button to bring up an isometric representation of the network. As you can see, we more or less have a straight run of pipe between the input point at node 10 and a hydrant discharge at node 50. Note that we do have some fittings along the way that will lead to pressure drop. Here between node 30 and 40, let's add our new fixed ratio pressure reduction valve. Right-click the other fittings field and scroll down to the pressure control devices table. At the bottom, you will see the new entry, the OR fitting, being the fixed ratio pressure reduction valve. We'll add one of these in and specify a ratio of 75%. You'll then see the OR75 text populate the field. What this means is that the pressure at node 40, or node B in this case, will be set to 75% of the pressure at node 30, which is node A. We have set this example up with a fixed input pressure of 1050 kilopascals, from which HYENA Plus will calculate the resulting discharge flow. Let's now run the calculation and review the results. Looking at the Node Characteristics Results tab, we can see that at node 20 the pressure has dropped to 1032 kilopascals. At node 30 the pressure is 1000 kilopascals, and then at node 40 the pressure is 750 kilopascals, i.e. 75% of the available pressure that is at node 30. Let's also have a look at the Pipe Characteristics Results tab. We can see the fixed ratio pressure reduction valve that we added here in the pipe between nodes 30 and 40. The associated pressure drop of this valve is about 233 kilopascals. As you can see, this is just one other method that you can now use to achieve different pressure zones throughout your pipe network. That's all for this video. Be sure to check out the growing library of tutorial videos on our channel and subscribe to stay updated on any new videos that are released. Bye for now.